Touted as the greenest capital in the world, Delhi is also, paradoxically, the city which has the highest levels of air pollution in the world. 38% of air pollution in Delhi is caused due to vehicles.
For instance, I personally feel that all old vehicles, which are great pollutants, a lot of them have stopped. When we started this campaign of not bringing in, stopping all the smoke coming out of vehicles, that has stopped, but it's come back again. So all vehicles which are 10 years or 5 years, whatever the cut-off thing, should not be allowed to ply. Now, that also requires a system of vigilance. How do see that it happens? Then, this was the first city in India which brought in CNG. So, all public transport, whether it was taxis or whether it was three-wheelers, it's a holistic way that we need to have.
There are 85 lakh vehicles on Delhi's roads, with approximately 1400 added every day, and about 55 to 60% of the total number of vehicles sold run on diesel.
38% of air pollution comes from the exhaust of diesel fumes. These fumes are extremely noxious, containing carbon monoxide, particulate matter 10 and particulate matter 2.5. It is a known fact that diesel vehicles are 7 times more polluting than the petrol vehicles.
If you have high air pollution levels, patient with lung diseases, patient with heart diseases, they come to the OPD more often with acute exacerbations, with acute attacks. That's like a known phenomenon. When you have fog and when you are there in the winter season, you tend to see more patients with respiratory complaints. They may also come up with nasal complaints like running noses, come up with ocular symptoms, eye symptoms, watering of eye, redness of eye. Because when allergy affects people, it affects either one organ or more than one organ. You don't live in a country where you can actually choose your profession or the place to sit. Telling people that leave Delhi and live in a place where you can live with a nicer lung is easier said than done.
What choice do the citizens of Delhi have? Leave Delhi, like the headlines of one of the national dailies suggested, or stay back and fight? Fight pollution, carpool, use public transport, report any vehicle which is obviously polluting. With video journalist Anya Aftab, Anjana Premchand, Amna Razak and Ankit Jain, this is Anirban Datta from the heart of Delhi.